As the director of the Rancho Mirage Library and Observatory, I'm happy to let you know that we are now reopening to the public and have taken steps to maximize your safety while providing access to library materials. When you visit, you'll notice several important changes as we operate our new Library to Go model. Upon arriving, guests will be guided into an air-conditioned queue line when necessary to ensure proper social distancing takes place within the building. Please follow staff's directions as they will be working to get you safely through the facility and on your way with your materials as quickly as possible. All returns should be made via our convenient drive-through book drop or to the return cart at the front door upon entering the building. Under our to-go model, patrons will be able to select materials throughout the facility. However, no tables or chairs will be available. Although the children's play area and computer lab are closed, library staff will be happy to assist you with anything you might need. If you think you will need help, we highly encourage you to contact us before arriving by phone or email, as our reference librarians will be happy to assist you in finding materials and placing holds for pickup. When you are ready to check out the materials you've selected or placed on hold, use the markings and signage throughout to help you line up while keeping a safe distance from others. On your visit, please be sure to follow all guidelines to help prevent the spread of germs. All who enter the Library and Observatory are required to wear a face mask covering. Our hardworking staff and your fellow library patrons thank you for doing all you can to help keep our community healthy. We look forward to seeing you.